So you might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 26.6.1 is causing a lot of drain on your battery, and you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix this. Number one, the biggest thing to remember here is that most of the time, if you were going through and updating your iPhone, there's a process called indexing, where in the background, your iPhone will go through and it will basically just try to update some things in the background and adjust some things in the background. So if you just recently updated your iPhone, you should give it a couple of days, let it go through, do its little indexing process where it just refreshes the background processes and makes things smoother on your iPhone. That is one of the first and most important things I'd recommend doing there. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and try restarting your iPhone. So go through, try holding down the volume up in the power button, go through, slide the power off. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Once again, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing the problem here for you. That's another very important thing. Now, if you just updated your iPhone today, your iPhone might still be even hot a little bit from the update, and you might actually have to go through and just wait it out again for that little processes in the background to kind of adjust themselves and kind of fix themselves. You can also just make sure that you have enough storage saved on your device too by going into General Settings, iPhone Storage down here, and making sure you have enough storage saved, because if you don't, that can also sometimes cause some issues there too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix the problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.